in terms of the fact he has to exist longer than the universe, because if he creates it and particularly maintains it, it has to exist longer than that. So obviously that's a long time.
But that doesn't prove immortality. It proves maybe a very, very, very long life.
It does.
It does.
Much longer than much longer than I've existed. So yeah, in terms of we know that we're not sure at this stage. We haven't discussed a very primary quality that God must have, and that is of inbuilt infinite. Everything is infinite. There has to be everything associated with God, and this is something that I learned when I was in my spirit life, actually, more than on earth, is infinite in its nature. So infinite love, infinite intelligence, infinite power, infinite wisdom. It all had the quality of being unlimited in every possible way. And that's something, as you connect to God, God can tell you these things, of course. And so you'll find the more of a connection you have with God, the more strongly you will feel these things, that God is infinite, an infinite being. Now, our finite mind, given our limited intellect, finds the whole concept of infinity almost impossible to grasp. And so that's an interesting thing in itself. But the more you become connected to God, the more you accept it, that there is this infinite nature of God that pervades everything God does. Yeah.